Getting in breaking news, Sukesh Chandrasekhar has been granted bail by Bombay High Court in Mumbai case. The bail has been granted in the financial fraud case filed by EOW. Relief to serial con man Sukesh aka Shekhar Chandrasekhar by High Court, despite the maximum provision of 7 years imprisonment in the Ponzi case. Sukesh has been in prison for 7 years and 10 months. On this basis, the Bombay High Court granted Sukesh bail application. However, due to ongoing cases across the country, Sukesh will remain in jail. Sukesh is currently imprisoned in the Tihar jail. Sukesh is reportedly accused of defrauding hundreds of people in a financial scam worth 100 crores. Shweta is joining us on the broadcast. Shweta, Sukesh Chandrasekhar has been granted bail on what grounds? Tell us more.
Well, this is a big news as far as Sukesh Chandrasekhar, also known as Shekhar Chandrasekhar, is concerned. What we are getting to understand is that he has been granted bail by the Bombay High Court onto the Mumbai case, which was dealing with the Ponzi scheme scam. Now, as far as the grounds are concerned, now remember, under Section 436A of the CRPC, it's been said that when an accused suffers half of the maximum sentence that he is imposed, is entitled to be released. Here the maximum punishment was 7 years, but as of now what we see is that he was lodged into the jail from 2015. Yeah. Now it's sent to 7 years, 10 months, and on this particular ground the Bombay High Court has granted him the bail. However, he will be behind the bars. Remember, there have been several cases against him. He's serial con man, and he also came into limelight due to his friendship with Jacqueline Fernandez. Over this, we are given to understand is that this is a relief to serial conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. But despite this, what we have seen that in this particular case, which was filed in the financial fraud case initially by Goregaon Police Station, later the case was transferred to EOW wing of Mumbai Police. In this particular matter, he has been granted bail by the Bombay High Court.
So granted bail, but Sukesh Chandrasekhar will be staying behind the bars. Appreciate you joining us, Shweta. With this, we are slipping into a short break. We'll be back with more news stories and updates on the other side.